And howdy, everyone. Welcome to How to Grow a Beard Part 4. These are very simple tips for those of you who are attempting to grow a full beard. Now, Part 4, Tip 4, you need to up your grooming game. Now, I'm not talking about the beard, because you need to leave your beard alone. Don't scratch. Don't pick at it. Stop using soap. You need to up your grooming. You need to clip your ear hair and your nose hair to keep them from getting tangled up. Trust me, your wife will love you for this. Okay, everybody, that's tip 4. You need to up your grooming. Till next time, talk to you soon. Bye.